want to go this fast at least once in your life? Oh, yeah. Lots of folks from the U.S. Navy with us. Let's hear it for the Navy, ladies and gentlemen. And now with the gear down, shooting an approach, much like Steve and Steel. Is that not the best pilot name on the planet? Steel Holly. Steve and Steel lining up now as they would for the Eisenhower. VFA-103. Well represented here in the Superhornet. Steroids is how it's been described. Bigger, faster. And it's coming back for another pass. And then we're going to celebrate the centennial of aviation in the U.S. Navy by turning back the hands of time. From the latest to a one-of-a-kind. Would you like to see another touch and go? Did you get a picture of that as it came down and then went back up into the air? Touch and go, folks? Do we want to see a touch and go? Well, we'll let them know from the Navy. Do you want to see a touch and go? That's better. Folks, with the tail hooked down. Nice slow pass so you can get lots of pretty pictures. Give you an idea of the difference in size. Sure what Steve and Steel have ready for us this time. But have your cameras ready. As they're having a great time before they head back home. Perhaps another 6-month tour of duty on the Eisenhower.